Today I'm going to share my findings from medical school acceptance data. Given 301 student data, I have identified some important factors that K-Plan students can focus on in order to improve the probability of being accepted by medical school. Given the four score factors, I evaluated most important factors based on relative larger information gain and the low error rates by fitting those variables into a simple threshold model. And we can see that the BCP and GPA is the most important one, and followed by all other GPA and MCAT score. For major factors, most of students applying to medical school are from biological, biomedical, and chemistry major. But we also found that students from two groups have similar major distribution. In the graph, we can see that in accepted groups, we have students from women's studies, Spanish, religions, while this major can also be rejected. So most of the case, if students have higher GPA, their majors will not be an important issue that will affect the probabilities of being accepted. So going to the details of how I obtained those results, I first separated data into training set and test data set. Since cumulative GPA is dependent on pre-medical GPA and all other GPA, in the model I choose to use pre-medical GPA, all other GPA and MCAT score to construct my functions. And I standardize those values because they have different range. And then I ran the standardized combined score at different threshold. I used the first model to select the features and the second models to decide the optimized thresholds for the models by minimize the course. So by using model 1, the optimized threshold is minus 1.1045. The information gains per case on the test data is 0.295 bits, and the percentage of information gain is 36.54%. In model 2, the accuracy is 78.22% in test dataset, and the minimized cost per event is $450.84. To summary, students should focus on BCP and GPA and LGPAs, make sure they're larger than 3.2, and the MCAT score larger than 28. Also, students who have different background from the most popular majors may also have chance to be accepted if they have higher GPA.